Apa Capello?
Bagba.
How are you now? Do a job for me. Now that my money now, so I can collect you.
Continue.
Money no day, money no day.
Nah, no see you go work yesterday.
No
I beg
talk
you
that
money.
one. Money no.
Just give me my money, make I go now. Wetin dey sup?
See, I know say they old now.
You stupid.
You get. Every time na
Guys, you know they come out here without that money. You know they come out here.
See, no let me. I no be that kind of person.
See,
Capello. Capello.
you give me that money.
Why they do it for me?
No, I just dey greet you.
The only thing.
How you dey?
You know the home me. I the home and I won't come pay money.
Child.
I know say I dey drive. See,
Give me my money. Give me my money.
See that your money now. No be your money. We are the home.
See, I see the government. I tell you.
Oh my God. Oh, no.